The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Samach, verses 113 to 120, Ayin, verses 121 to 128, Pei, verses 129 to 136, Zad, verses 137 to 144, Qoph, verses 145 to 152, Resh, verses 153 to 160, Sin and Shin, verses 161 to 168, Taf, verses 169 to 176, and the first book of Psalms, 120 verses 1 to 7, Samach 113. I hate double-minded men, but I love your law. 114. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word. 115. Depart from me, you evildoers, that I may keep the commandments of my God. 116. Uphold me according to your word, that I may live. Let me not be ashamed of my hope. 117. Hold me up, and I will be safe, and will have respect for your statutes continually. 118. You reject all those who stray from your statutes, for their deceit is in vain. 119. You put away all the wicked of the earth like dross. Therefore, I love your testimonies. 120. My flesh trembles for fear of you. I am afraid of your judgments. The first book of Psalms, Ayin, verses 121 to 128. An 121. I have done what is just and righteous. Don't leave me to my oppressors. 122. Ensure your servant's well-being. Don't let the proud oppress me. 123. My eyes fail looking for your salvation, for your righteous word. 124. Deal with your servant according to your loving kindness. Teach me your statutes. 125. I am your servant. Give me understanding, that I may know your testimonies. 126. It is time to act, Lord, for they break your law. 127. Therefore I love your commandments more than gold, yes, more than pure gold. 128. Therefore I consider all of your precepts to be right. I hate every false way. The first book of Psalms, Pei, verses 129 to 136, Pei 129. Your testimonies are wonderful, therefore my soul keeps them. 130. The entrance of your words gives light. It gives understanding to the simple. 131. I opened my mouth wide and panted, for I longed for your commandments. 132. Turn to me and have mercy on me, as you always do to those who love your name. 133. Establish my footsteps in your word. Don't let any iniquity have dominion over me. 134. Redeem me from the oppression of man, so I will observe your precepts. 135. Make your face shine on your servant. Teach me your statutes. 136. Streams of tears run down my eyes, because they don't observe your law. The first book of Psalms, Zad, verses 137 to 144, Zad 137. You are righteous, Lord. Your judgments are upright. 138. You have commanded your statutes in righteousness. They are fully trustworthy. 139. My zeal wears me out, because my enemies ignore your words. 140. Your promises have been thoroughly tested, and your servant loves them. 141. I am small and despised. I don't forget your precepts. 142. Your righteousness is an everlasting righteousness. Your law is truth. 143. Trouble and anguish have taken hold of me. Your commandments are my delight. 144. Your testimonies are righteous forever. Give me understanding, that I may live. The first book of Psalms, Qoph, verses 145 to 152. Qoph 145. I have called with my whole heart. Answer me, Lord. I will keep your statutes. 146 I have called to you. Save me. I will obey your statutes. 147 I rise before dawn and cry for help. I put my hope in your words. 148 My eyes stay open through the night watches, that I might meditate on your word. 149 Hear my voice according to your loving kindness. Revive me, Lord, according to your ordinances. 150 They draw near who follow after wickedness. They are far from your law. 151 You are near, Lord. All your commandments are truth. 152 Of old I have known from your testimonies that you have founded them forever. The first book of Psalms, Resh, verses 153 to 160. Resh 153 Consider my affliction and deliver me, for I don't forget your law. 154 Plead my cause and redeem me. Revive me according to your promise. 155 Salvation is far from the wicked, for they don't seek your statutes. 156 Great are your tender mercies, Lord. Revive me according to your ordinances. 157 Many are my persecutors and my adversaries. I haven't swerved from your testimonies. 158 I look at the faithless with loathing, because they don't observe your word. 159 Consider how I love your precepts. Revive me, Lord, according to your loving kindness. 160 All of your words are truth. Every one of your righteous ordinances endures forever. The first book of Psalms, Sin and Shin, Sin and Shin. 161 Princes have persecuted me without a cause, but my heart stands in awe of your words. 162 I rejoice at your word, as one who finds great plunder. 163 I hate and abhor falsehood. I love your law. 164 7 times a day I praise you because of your righteous ordinances. 165 Those who love your law have great peace. Nothing causes them to stumble. 166 I have hoped for your salvation, Lord. I have done your commandments. 167 My soul has observed your testimonies. I love them exceedingly. 168 I have obeyed your precepts and your testimonies, for all my ways are before you. The first book of Psalms, Taf, verses 169 to 176. TAV 169 Let my cry come before you, Lord. Give me understanding according to your word. 170 Let my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your word. 171 Let my lips utter praise, for you teach me your statutes. 172 Let my tongue sing of your word, for all your commandments are righteousness. 173 Let your hand be ready to help me, for I have chosen your precepts. 174 I have longed for your salvation, Lord. Your law is my delight. 175 Let my soul live, that I may praise you. Let your ordinances help me. 176 I have gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I don't forget your commandments. The first book of Psalms, 120 verses 1 to 7, a song of ascents. When in my distress I cried to the Lord, he answered me. 2 Deliver my soul, Lord, from lying lips, from a deceitful tongue. 3 What will be given to you, and what will be done more to you, you deceitful tongue? 4 Sharp arrows of the mighty, with coals of juniper. 5 Woe is me, that I live in Meshech, that I dwell among the tents of Kir. 6 My soul has had her dwelling too long with him who hates peace. 7 I am for peace, but when I speak, they are for war. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Samith, verses 113 to 120. AYI verses 128. Pei verses 129 to 136. Zod verses 137 to 144. QOPH verses 145 to 152. Raish verses 153 to 160, Sin and Shin verses 161 to 168, Taf verses 169 to 176, and the first book of Songs, 120 verses, 1 to 7. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.